we are going to play a Welsh game, and it's going to blow your mind. Now, the whole game itself is based on two promises, one from yours truly and one from you. My promise is that you're going to learn an incredible amount of Welsh in a really short space of time. Your promise is that you're going to follow the two rules of the game, okay? The two rules are that I'm going to say a term in Welsh and you need to say it in English after me, okay? That's rule one. The second rule is kind of split into three mini rules. So if you A, don't know the English translation of what I say, B, you guess incorrectly, or C, you don't get to the answer before I say the next Welsh term in any of those three occasions. So you don't know, you guess incorrectly, or you run out of time. If any of those happen, you have to go right back to the start of this game, okay? Now you can return to the start by finding the timestamp in the description of this video. So you can just quickly jump back and start again from the beginning. You have to be hard on yourself though. Really, really important. You have to be hard on yourself. So, do we have a deal? I'm Danny. Let's go. I'm Danny. So, my first term for you is sunnin. I would or I would be. The next word is licio. To like. Sunnin licio. I would like. Hwnna. That or that one. Sunnin licio hwnna. I would like that one. Sunnin licio cacen. I would like a, or I would like some cake, or just I'd like cake. Settin. Would you or would you be? Settin licio. Would you like or would you like to? Settin licio cacen. Would you like her or would you like some cake? Settin licio hwnna. Would you like that or would you like that one? Sunnin licio diod oer. I'd like a cold drink. Settin licio cacen a diod oer. Would you like some cake and a cold drink? Sunni ddim yn. I wouldn't like or I wouldn't like to. Sunnim yn. Bit of a cheeky one, that one. That also means I wouldn't or I wouldn't be. Seti ddim yn. You wouldn't or you wouldn't be. Sunnim yn licio. I wouldn't like. Sunnim yn licio hwnna. I wouldn't like that or I wouldn't like that one. Setim yn licio hwnna. You wouldn't like that or you wouldn't like that one. Setim yn licio cacen. You wouldn't like a cake or you wouldn't like some cake. Sunnim yn licio diod. I wouldn't like a drink. Got a bit cheeky in there, didn't it? But if you got to the end, llongyfarchiadau, it really doesn't matter if it's taking you 15 resets or 3 resets or no resets. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. So, did you enjoy that? Sa ti'n licio mwy? Mwy is more. Sa ti'n licio mwy? Okay, well this time we're going to go backwards. I'm going to say the English, you say the Cymraeg. The timestamp to return to the start of this particular section of the lesson is also in the description. So, unwaith eto, once again, unwaith eto, amdani, let's go, amdani. I would or I would be. Swn to like. Licio. I would like or I would like to. Swn i'n licio. That or that one. Hwnna. I'd like that one. Swn i'n licio hwnna. I'd like some cake. Swn i'n licio cacen. Would you or would you be? Se ti'n licio? Would you like some cake? Se ti'n licio cacen? Would you like that or would you like that one? Se ti'n licio hwnna? I'd like a cold drink. Swn i'n licio diod oer. Would you like some cake and a cold drink? Se ti'n licio cacen a diod oer? I wouldn't or I wouldn't be, longer form. Swn i ddim yn. I wouldn't or I wouldn't be, contracted form. Swn i ddim yn. You wouldn't be, contracted form. Se ti ddim yn. You wouldn't like. Se ti ddim yn licio. I wouldn't like that one. Swn i ddim yn licio hwnna. You'd like that. Se ti'n licio hwnna. You wouldn't like a cake. Se ti ddim yn licio cacen. I wouldn't like a drink. Swn i ddim yn licio diod. Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations, that's 20 little phrases that you've smashed together. Bendigedig. Like I say, I may have gone a little bit too fast on some of those, but hey, time stops for no one. So if you did run out of time, or you got one or two wrong, or you guessed incorrectly, hopefully you went back to the start every single time. I promise you, it might take some people 15 times to hear the first one. Keep getting that first one wrong, it just won't stick. But I promise on that 16th time, it definitely sticks. If you enjoyed this madness and you'd like some more, I'm going to try and get some more of these lessons put together in due course. If you'd like to show your appreciation by parting with some of your hard-earned cash, you can buy the book Cymraeg efo Ffrind from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description as well. Or you can buy it directly from me from drcymraeg.wales. Yep, I have a website. Diolch yn fawr iawn.